Tired of Google tracking everything you search? You can ditch it in Chrome. To switch the default search engine, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, select Settings, then Search Engine on the left, and click Change. Pick the search engine you want from the list. There are 5 here, some popular and some not so much. For more privacy, I would suggest choosing Brave. However, that's a personal choice. Once done, click on Set as Default. If the search engine you want is not there on the list, you can add it manually. In the search engine settings, click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search, and then click the Add button next to Site Search. You will now have to fill out the details. For example, if I want to set Yahoo as the default search engine, I will enter Yahoo under the name field and the basic URL under the shortcut field. The important part is this field here. Open the search engine you want in another tab, search for any query, and then copy the part of the URL up to the equals sign. Paste it into the Settings tab under the last field and type %S right next to it, no spaces. Click on Add to save this. Now expand Additional Sites. Click the three-dot menu, also called the ellipsis in case you didn't know, next to the search engine entry you just added and select Make Default. That's it. Let's see if it works. So we will open a new tab and search for something. You see, it now uses Yahoo Search instead of Google. You can similarly add another search engine, and if you ever want to switch back to Google, just head to the search engine settings in Chrome, click the ellipsis next to Google, and select Make Default. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech in Moments for more such quick tutorials and smart tech tips.